Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Santa text-to-speech voice on TikTok. So Christmas is coming up and you want to create a video using the Santa voice, then let me show you how to do it. So first you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next you want to tap on the plus sign to post a video. Now here you can go ahead and create yourself a video or upload a video from your phone library. For now, I'll just record a video using my phone. Now once that's recorded, you'll be then taken into the TikTok editor. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on text, enter in your text. Now once you've done that, go ahead and tap on this text to speech, or you can just press done for now. Tap on the text again and then tap on text to speech. Now here, you'll get your text-to-speech menu where you'll be able to see all the voices that are available. So if you swipe to the left, you'll see the Christmas tab. Go ahead and tap on that. Now from this menu here, you can choose Santa, Ginger Chime, or Elf. So since this video is about Santa voice, so go ahead and choose the Santa voice. Now once you choose that, it'll then say the sentence in the Santa voice.
Ho, 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 Merry Christmas!
Now after you've done that, you can go ahead and add your sound, any stickers, any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So there you go, that is how to use the Santa text-to-speech voice on TikTok. Now if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.